Hi, it's Stephen Weber here from McGrath Estate Agents on the Gold Coast, and welcome to number 8111 Old Burleigh Road in Broadbeach. This magnificent 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car apartment has been fully extensively renovated from floor to ceiling. It's available now for sale. The great thing about this apartment, it's only 1 block away from our beautiful beaches, a couple of blocks from the Broadbeach Entertainment Precinct, as well as Pack Fair. This apartment is sure to impress. Why don't we go inside and have a look?
Won't you be mine forever? Stay here together, we can nurture each other. Find us another world to be. All the beauty we'll see. Won't you sing me a song and take me among the flowers? We'll grow, we'll conquer the world. These feelings will remain with me. Stay here together, we could nurture each other. Find a different world to be. Hope it's beauty we'll see. I'll sing you a song, it's taken so long. The flowers we've grown are standing alone. These feelings have remained with me.
If you would like to know more about this beautiful renovated apartment in the heart of Broadbeach, feel free to get in contact with myself to arrange a private appointment. We look forward to seeing you soon.